The ProSensor 710 Plus is the fastest, easiest, most accurate stud finder on the market. To operate, simply press and hold the button. Then, place it on the wall and go. There's no calibration procedure. You can instantly find studs. Once you have it on the wall, the LEDs show you right where the stud is. When you move the unit back and forth, the ProSensor 710 Plus continues to track the location of a stud, which makes it easy to instantly see the edges and the center of the stud. The ProSensor 710 Plus is the most accurate stud finder because it has more sensors. Other stud finders typically have only 1 or 2 sensors. The ProSensor 710 Plus has 13. It can find stud positions with unbeatable precision. With the 710 Plus, you can also see the full width of studs, which will help to identify wider objects such as 4x4s or double studs. The ProSensor 710 Plus also features a built-in bubble level and an integrated ruler to make it the perfect tool for many projects, ranging from hanging and leveling pictures to installing cabinets and flat-screen TVs. The ProSensor 710 Plus is made in the USA and is undoubtedly the best product of its kind. This stud finder will quickly become your favorite.
Length equal 0.827 meter. Length equal 0.823 meter. Length equal 0.453 meter. Width equal 0.22. Height equal 0.453 meter. Value equal 0.046 cubic meter. 0.414 meter. Area equals 0.170 square meter.
Finding studs in metal is easy with the Zircon MultiScanner A200 electronic wall scanner. The A200 is designed with a sleek new ergonomic grip designed to fit comfortably in any size hand at any angle. It has 3 modes: stud scan to find the center of studs up to 3/4 of an inch deep, deep scan to find the center of studs up to 1.5 inches deep, and metal scan to find metal up to 3 inches deep. It also features a backlit display for hard-to-see places, a low battery indicator, and wire warning detection to alert you to the presence of live AC in all scanning modes. To find studs, select Stud Scan mode. The display indicates when you're approaching and locate a stud edge. The spotlight pointer shines and an audio tone sounds when you found the stud's center. To find metal, select Metal Scan. The display ramps up when you near metal, and the spotlight pointer shines when you're near the target. Use the A200 to securely fasten shelves and cabinets and scan through tile. Buy your Zircon MultiScanner A200 today.
Hello everyone, this is Sabrina and I am from NOYAFA. Today I will introduce you with our stud finder in F518S to you. During the decoration process, some customers need to drill a hole in the wall. In that situation, in F518S can play an important role in the whole process. Using this product, customers can detect any hidden metal, power cable and wood in the wall so that they can get a clear understanding about the situation under the concrete and avoiding any potential risk and damage. So about this product, we have several functions, so I'm gonna tell you one by one. The first function is detecting invisible metal wood in the wall behind the ceiling. 2. Take measurement for distance, area, volume, and also Pythagorean system. 3rd, 12 testing modes for different usage scenario. 5th, digital level function. 6th, easy and intelligent testing. I hope this information will help you to get to know more about this product. Thank you.
This is the GMS 120 Professional, the calibration-free multi-detector from Bosch. You can use the GMS 120 Professional to detect wooden beams up to a depth of 3.8 centimeters in dry wall mode. This tool indicates a positive search result by changing the color of its luminous ring and emitting an audible signal. The innovative center finder scale makes accurate detection of the object easier and shows you the center of the detected object. You can use the opening in the center of the luminous ring to mark the center of the object you're looking for. In live wire mode, the GMS 120 Professional detects when it's moved very near to or directly over a live cable, warning you with a quickly repeating sound and a flashing red luminous ring. Live cables can be detected up to a depth of 5 centimeters. Ferrous metals can even be detected up to a depth of 12 centimeters in metal mode. The illuminated display is easy to read, even in poor lighting conditions and from different angles. The most reliable detector in its class, the GMS 120 Professional.